Ever wanted to make some unique jellies? How about blossom jellies? You can make blossom jellies from almost any blossom that is tasty and edible. First thing you're going to want to do is collect your blossoms, and then you're going to want to separate out anything that is not a petal. Make sure you get all the green stuff out because that will be very bitter. Then you're going to want to take 2 cups of your blossoms to 2 cups of boiling water. Pour that boiling water over your blossoms and let it sit till it cools, and then place it in a jar and keep it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you're going to want to strain out your blossoms from the tea that you're making. I get a strainer, I put a paper towel in it, and then I put it over the bowl. And I make sure that I let it drain completely because that tea is what's going to make your delicious jelly. Now ladle that tea into a container that you can fit a tight lid onto, because you're going to want to store that in the refrigerator until it's time to make your jellies.